This video is going to talk about the complex movement of our arms. Whatever complex movement we do on our limbs, it will exercise our cerebellum, which control our coordination, balance, and cognition, and all the balance of your nervous system. That this is a really fundamental exercise that we got to focus on. If I'm using my right hand to do it, it was stimulating our right cerebellum and left brain. You can see it has a really strong bias to one side. This is how we balance both sides of our brain. And I'm going to show you the complex movement of our arm first. Find a place to lay down and just relax. And I'm going to use my right arm. Depend on which side you have been instructed to do. Right now I'm going to do it on the right side just for demonstration. For the complex movement, the easiest one is to do a figure of 8. The key point is you want to do it slow and steady, and we want more quality than quantity. Don't do that this fast, it doesn't help. Do it slow. At a certain angle, most of you would feel maybe there is some glitching at a different direction. Maybe some of you will feel really hard to move at this direction, but really smooth of coming back. Pay attention of which path, which angle you're struggling the most. When you find that you're struggling the most, focus and take your time. Do it slower at that path, at that angle. This would challenge your brain, and that's how we exercise our brain using the figure of 8. So at doing this angle, we can do it here, and then we can do it at a different angle. I'm bringing my hand from center and go outside the outside of my body. Usually you would just do around 30 seconds to 1 minute, but for demonstration purpose, because I'm talking, so I just do a little bit longer. And then you're gonna take a break. Just relax. Take as long as you need. And after that, the one we just do is the shoulder, and then we're going to do it on the elbow. So put your elbow against the table or the floor, and then you're going to do the same things again. But try not to move your shoulder, just using your elbow. This also exercises our cerebellum, but at a different part of our brain. Make sure it's slow and steady, and make sure you're only using the elbow. And after that, take a break. And then we're going to do it on the wrist. Lock your elbow against the table, and then do a figure of 8. Try to feel, be really in tune of your body. See which angle you feel the most difficult, and then that's the one you need to pay more attention in. Usually do it for 30 seconds will be enough. And then you can take a break. And after that, if you were instructed, you would do it on the left hand or the right hand, or you might need to do both sides, or do more on the right side than the left hand.